I hope that you guys are staying nice and warm inside of your houses, because it is still chilly outside. What do you guys think of this crazy weather? Isn't it wonderful though? I love cold weather. Boys and girls, are you ready for our question today? So our question for today is, would you rather be a bird? So these little birds are kind of cool right here, right? These are pigeons. They kind of just stare at you, don't they? Look at them.
Or would you rather be a frog? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
So our question for today is, would you rather be a bird or a frog? As for me, boys and girls, I think I would much rather be a bird. Why? Because I can fly and I can get to places a lot faster. Plus, I think I'd rather live in the sky than live in a pond. What about you guys? What would you rather be? A bird or a frog? I can't wait to hear your responses, my little ones. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Feliz miércoles, nos saluda Miss Blanca. Ya estamos a mitad de semana. La pregunta de hoy es...
¿Te gustaría convertirte en una rana así como esta? Uy, o ser un pájaro. ¿Se imaginan? Este es un colibrí. A mí sí me gustaría ser un colibrí. ¿Y ustedes?
A mí me gustaría ser mejor un pájaro, un colibrí. ¿Ustedes qué prefieren? ¿Ser una rana o un pájaro?